Hey, so welcome back to another day of the 100 Day Design Challenge. And today we are still in the business of designing, picnic, event flyers, or what have you. So we'll just dive right into what we have for today, okay? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, of course, the normal drill is to create a canvas size, right? So we're going to be going to a canvas size of 1024 by 1024 pixels. And I'm going to click create. Now the first thing I want to do is import the first resource I'll be using. So I'm going to go into my file by resources, which is this, and I'm going to drag and drop side of Photoshop. So I'm going to place it here. Alright, we'll have to increase this to take up the space. Increase this. Alright, good. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go to my filter, so select, and I'm going to select subject. Okay. Once the subject is selected, now if you take a look at this, there are some inconsistencies here, like here and here. Alright, so what I want to do now, I'm going to go into my selection to make sure it's quick selection to that I selected, and then I'm going to click on the minus because I want to remove. So I'm going to click on the add. We'll click on the add. Here we want to add this here and this. Good. I want to add this also. Now we'll click on the minus, the subtract, because we want to remove this part. You don't need to remove this part. Okay. Now you click on the plus if you want to add, and click on the minus if you want to. So click on the plus again. Look at this down part here. We need to add them. Alright, good. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to press Ctrl G to just create a layer of just the selected part. Good. So now the next thing I want to do is add my text. So I'm going to go into my text here and I'm going to write text game night, GAME. Next line, select all of them. Make sure, so the font I'm using here is Angelic Child, okay? And then this is the color I'm using for my text. So 794552. Alright, I'm going to increase the size of this. Alright, so after increasing the size of this, I'm going to take this. Alright, so let's increase this. Now the space in between the game and the 9 is too much. I'm going to double click on it, select everything, and I'm going to reduce, drag across here. And then I'm going to click OK. Alright, so I'm going to take this behind this duplicated image here, rotate this, come to this middle here, you rotate it. Good. Alright, next thing I want to do is I'm going to add a stroke. Okay, so come here, quick, go to stroke. I want to add a white stroke. Alright, this is good. So if your color is not on white, you click here to change the color, and then you change the size to 32. Make sure the position is outside and it's on normal. Blending mode is on normal. Opacity is 100, and then OK. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into my file to add the next resource, which is this. Oh, sorry, which is this here. Let me take this, drag and drop out of Photoshop. Alright, so reduce the size of this. So I want to place this here. Let's place this here. Okay, and I'm going to go into my file again. This is the next resource I'll be using. I'm going to take this, drag and drop out of Photoshop. I'm going to place this here. So I'm going to reduce the size of this. Reduce the size and take this down to this point here. I'm going to click enter. So I'm going to import the last resource I'll be using. Okay, not the last yet, this one. I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag this and drop this out of Photoshop. Good, so I need this one here, this tone paper effect here. So I'm just going to go into my rectangular marquee 2, and then I'm going to just select right across this, just this part here. And then I'm going to click this to just separate the layers. Good. Let me convert it to a smart object. I'm just going to right click on this, and then I'm going to click on convert to smart object. Increase the size and place, so increase the size, click enter. I'm going to drag this and place this here. Let me still reduce the size a bit. Just going to click enter. Good. Alright, so what I want to add here is the location. So I'm going to go into my file, the last resource. So I'm going to take this, drag it, and drop it out of Photoshop. Good. So I'm going to reduce the size of this, and I'm going to place this right here. Let's reduce the size. Good. I'll place this here. Enter. So I want to change the color from black to maybe something like red. Okay. I'm going to go into my layer style here, and I'm going to click on color overlay. So just click on the color here, and then you just adjust to fit what you want. This is good. I'll just click OK, and then OK. Alright, so now next now to do is right add the text there, like location, the text of the location. So I'm going to drag across like this. Alright, they're usually default text, those lorem some whatever text. So it's dependent on you what location you want to put there. So I'm just going to leave that like that. But this is just for educational purposes only. So I'm just going to leave that like that. So if you feel you need to add any text, you do that. Okay. Then I'm going to click OK. And just place this here. Alright. Okay, so that's good. Now the last thing I'll take a screenshot of the Shift Control Alt E screenshot. I'm going to go into my file, go into my camera raw filter. Once my camera raw filter opens, I'm going to go into my basic, where I have my basic here. I'm going to increase the texture and increase clarity, but not too much, please. We don't want it to be too dark. I'm going to increase the dehaze and then the vibrance. After increasing that, I'm going to go to my details, and I'm going to increase the color noise reduction. Sorry, the noise reduction, okay, because I want to smoothen out this stuff here. I'm going to click OK. And once that has taken effect, I'll go to my filter again. I'm going to go to noise, and I'm going to add noise. Yeah, so this should be okay around, let's say 12 or so. Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to click OK. So this is our full design. Alright, so with that, we've come to the end of the design class of today. I hope you learned something new. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you're watching from. As well to like, share, and subscribe, okay? I'm going to see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.